All the rainfall stations over Goa reported rainfall today, and we recorded widespread activity of rainfall and thunder shower on 10th of October. The highest rainfall was reported at Santli, which was 62 mm of rainfall, that is approximately 6 centimeters of rainfall. IMD in its forecast and the information shared on 9th of October had already informed about increase in thunderstorm and rainfall activity over Goa in the coming days. Basic reason for this increase in activity is the formation of a low pressure area, which is now in the form of a well marked low pressure area over east central and southwest Bay of Bengal. So in the coming days this system is going to intensify and move towards Andhra Pradesh coast. In the presence of this system, the wind pattern over Goa is in a form that moisture incursion is taking place over Goa from Bay of Bengal and the mid-tropospheric levels and lower levels from Arabian Sea. So this induces thunderstorm formation, and rainfall accompanied with lightning is taking place over Goa, and it is going to continue for around 3 to 4 more days. So today morning the same thing happened, that the rainfall associated with thunder was taking place because of a similar moisture incursion which took place over Goa, and thunderstorm clouds were formed. In view of this increased thunderstorm activity, IMD has issued a thunderstorm warning. That means rainfall accompanied with lightning and thunder is going to be there for 4 days starting from 10th of October. Apart from that, the activity will be highest when the well-marked low pressure system, which was just mentioned, is going to reach up to Andhra Pradesh coast. At that time, that is on 12th and 13th, we can expect even isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. That means rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters is likely at 1 or 2 places over Goa on 12th of October. Other days such as 10th, 11th and 13th, there is possibility of heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters in 24 hours. Apart from that, there are fishermen warnings also. When this system is near the Andhra coast, we are expecting that the squally weather, that means winds with speed of 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, is going to be there over South Maharashtra and Goa coast. So fishermen are requested not to venture into these areas on 12th, 13th and 14th of October.
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.